testament to our enduring spirit and the boundless potential of our nation. 2. As our flag waves high, it tells a story of our struggles and triumphs, a beacon of hope and pride for every Somali heart. 3. Our flag dances with the wind, a symbol of freedom and resilience, reminding us of the strengths we possess as a united people. 4. In the sky, our Somali flag soars, a reminder that no matter the challenges, our unity and determination will always prevail. 5. With our flag flying high, we honor our past, celebrate our present, and look forward to a future filled with promise and prosperity. Guys, don't forget to follow this Boker TikTok and try to like the